Position time graph. First, if an object is at rest or stationary. First is if an object is at rest. In that case, this is time axis, this is position axis, and graph will be straight line parallel to time axis. ठीक. Second one, if an object is in uniform motion along straight line. Second one is this one. Now this is the time axis, this is position and motion along straight line starting from origin. This will be the again straight line passing through the origin inclined with the time axis. ठीक है. This is the ठीक. Next one. Now, if an object is moving with constant negative velocity starting from the positive position, in that case the graph will be, this will be like this one. On x-axis I am taking time, this is position, this is the graph. ठीक है. This is the point 2. This line AB is showing the object moving with constant negative velocity starting from positive position. ठीक है. Next one is this is the position time graph of uniform motion in one dimension. Right? It is straight line inclined with the time axis. Now, the velocity of an object in uniform motion is equal to the slope of position time graph with time axis. Right? Means अगर इस ग्राफ का स्लोप निकालें हम टाइम एक्सिस से, that will give you the velocity of the body. Now slope with time axis, slope means I have to calculate tan theta. Now tan theta किसमें निकालना है? इन ट्रायंगल DCDE, tan theta equal to DE by EC. Right? That is velocity equal to dE by EC. The slope of this graph will give you the velocity of body in one dimension when the motion is uniform. ठीक है. Velocity time graph in uniform motion. Now this is the velocity, this is the time, right? And velocity time graph in uniform motion will be straight line parallel to time axis. ठीक है. Now the velocity time graph of moving object help us to calculate displacement of the object in given time interval. Right? If I want to calculate the displacement of the body in the time interval T1 and T2, then area under this curve will give you the displacement. जैसे if this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, right? So area under this curve is how much? AB into CD. And what is AB? If it is a velocity V dash here, so V dash, AB is what? AB, this one, that T2 minus T1, this is T2 minus T1 into AB into not CD, it is BC. AB into BC. AB into BC, that is AB is T2 minus T1 and BC is this one, V dash. ठीक है, तो एरिया अंडर VT ग्राफ will gives us the displacement of the body in given time interval. ठीक, next one. Position time graph for uniformly accelerated motion. Now, relation for position, time and acceleration for accelerated motion S equal to ut plus half at square. I have to plot the graph between S and T, right? Now, the nature of the graph will be parabolic. कैसा होगा? The nature of the graph will be parabolic. Right. This is the graph. ठीक है. This is x equal to this x0 and this is x, and graph is x equal to x naught plus ut plus half at square, that is x minus x naught equal to ut plus half at square, and this is what? Displacement. So displacement equal to ut plus half at square. So the graph, nature of graph will be this one. And slope of position time graph will give you the velocity at that time. If I want to calculate the what is the velocity at this point, so what I have to do? I will simply draw a tangent and find out the slope, and the slope will give the velocity of the particle at that time. ठीक है, चलिए ये किसका ग्राफ था? एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन, यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन का. नेक्स्ट, नाउ velocity time graph for uniformly accelerated motion. If a body is accelerating with constant acceleration a, then its velocity time graph will be like this one. ठीक है, and the area under velocity time graph. The area under velocity time graph gives the displacement by the object in the given time interval. अगर किसी भी टाइम इंटरवल के बीच में आप निकालना चाहते हैं कि how much body has covered the distance or displacement, sorry, then take out the area under the curve and you will get the displacement. ठीक है. Next one. Now we are going to discuss nature of motion for different for the given distance time graph. Right. This graph is distance time graph when the body is in the rest, right? Its slope is 0, therefore the speed of the body is 0. This is distance time of graph, right, for the body moving with a constant speed. ठीक है. Now the graph is started from 0 origin, therefore distance travel at t equal to 0 is also 0. This is distance time graph for a uniformly accelerated motion, parabolic one. This is the distance time graph for the deaccelerating, right, for the negative acceleration. This is a distance time graph, straight line parallel to distance axis. It is not possible because at a given time, at this time you have number of distances. इतने सारे डिस्टेंस दे रखा है, मतलब इस टाइम पर ये भी डिस्टेंस है, ये भी डिस्टेंस है, जो पॉसिबल नहीं है. दिस इज डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज टाइम इज इंक्रीजिंग and distance is decreasing. This is also not possible. This distance time graph is also not possible because at the given time I have two distances. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि बॉडी ने एक ही समय पे दो अलग अलग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है. ठीक है. दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम ग्राफ. द ग्राफ इज पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस या टाइम एक्सिस. इसका मतलब हुआ द स्लोप इज 0 एंड बॉडी हैज 0 वेलोसिटी. दिस इज द displacement time graph, straight line inclined to time axis. This is a constant velocity. This is displacement time graph for a uniformly accelerated motion and it is the parabola bending in upward direction. These two graphs are representing decreasing velocity or deacceleration. Here slope is what? Greater than, slope is negative, theta is greater than 90 degree. It also representing the negative velocity, right? Next one. This is velocity time graph and it is parallel to time axis. It means that it is showing constant velocity. Here velocity is increasing with time, then this is showing the uniform acceleration. This is a velocity time graph. This graph is not starting from the origin. It means that body has some initial velocity and it is straight line. It means that body is moving with uniform acceleration. This is velocity time graph. This is parabolic graph. It means that body do not have the uniform acceleration and graph is bending upward, represents an increasing acceleration. That acceleration is increasing with time.